Yeah, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're headed out. We're gonna do another dig day. There's a new trail out there that buddy Joe is building. It looks like it could have some sick features. It's got a really good spot on the mountain, so I'm excited to get out there early and help him out. So let's get to it. Get it, Joe. Getting it done. This berm is sick. Shoots you right out. Little kicker from the top. It's gonna be awesome. Just keep on packing. This is sick. It's a big berm. Redirect that way. This is probably the sickest part of it.
Yeah.
Into this berm.
It's fun to ride.
And straight out. And a good little kicker right here. It's gonna be sick. Hop off of that into this berm. Straight down off that kicker. Look who's here. Ted Blanchard in the flesh. Here to check out the trail. Coming in off of that. Build that up to a drop. Straight down, land there. That's gonna be sick. Yeah.